Hey everyone, Kimmy Weintraub here on the set of the Money Channel. We're at the Centurion 1 Summit and we are at the gorgeous Rosewood Baha Mar in Nassau, Bahamas. I am joined today with CEO Brett Richards of Pasofino Gold. Thanks for joining us, Brett.
Hi, Kim. Thanks for having me.
Great. It's a beautiful day at this summit.
It's lovely. Great day.
So for those who don't know about Pasofino Gold, can you give us an overview of your company?
Sure. We are a gold developer. We are on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol VEIN. And our project is in Liberia. We have 4 million ounces of gold that we are preparing for construction.
Oh, exciting. What could you tell people that separates yourself from others in the gold mining space?
I think we've seen a tremendous rally in the gold price. Gold is up 52% so far this year. It's up 100% over the last 24 months. So, I think investors are going to leverage themselves with gold equities in order to deliver I'll say a risk-adjusted return, but multiples of what the gold price is going to do. And I think that's where Pasofino is attractive to investors today because we are so close to near-term production.
Very exciting. And so speaking of price, how have the prices of gold affected your production strategy?
I think with everybody, the price of gold running over the last kind of 12 and 24 months has really accelerated everyone's ability to advance their project two ways. First of all, the ability to raise capital. 2-3 years ago, capital was non-existent for gold explorers or gold developers. Today, you see all kinds of deals done where there's financings, and I think access to capital has been greatly improved. And the second thing, with the gold price run, I think what we're seeing is tremendous economic outputs from some of these projects because the cost base has gone up marginally, but the gold price has gone up exponentially.
Great answer. That makes a lot of sense. Can you talk a little bit about key developments and projects you're excited about?
Yeah. So in our project, and I run a family office as well, and we look for the exact same things. We look at people, we look at jurisdiction, we look at size and scale and grade and metallurgy and all those things that define a really strong project. And Pasofino delivers that. And there are many other projects out there in this gold price environment that are strong as well. But I think where the leverage comes is where we're trading at today. We're a $75 million market cap company. And if I look at historical valuations on gold quality of resources in the ground, we should be a $400 or $500 million company. So we haven't really recoupled to the run in the gold price. So I think it's an investment opportunity. And I think investors should look at that and look at the, not only the track record of the people involved, but also the dynamics of the free cash flow this project can produce.
Very smart. And I know there's a ton of challenges and questions involving environmental footprint. So what are you guys doing to reduce your footprint?
So we're in Liberia, and Liberia is a very immature mining jurisdiction when it comes to West Africa. It's a very good jurisdiction. It's got a tremendous U.S. presence there, one of the largest U.S. embassies. From a geopolitical stability standpoint, the government is very collaborative and very stable. What we have given back to our communities and what we're committing to our host government is that we want to be carbon neutral or carbon positive. And we want to be able to develop community-based businesses that are sustainable for the long period of time. And one of the things Liberia has is tropical hardwood. Not only do we need it and we'll consume some of it, but we see it as a viable business opportunity for the local communities to generate long-term sustainable business footprint whereby they can generate revenue for themselves.
Thank you so much for your commitment. That's a great idea. And then looking towards the future, where do you see the future in the next, let's say, 5 years for Pasofino Gold?
Well, I think our mine construction will be probably close to 3 years, including project financing and full construction and commissioning. So that's what we're focused on right now, updating the feasibility study over the next 6 months, and then getting this project into construction. After that, it will be kind of de-risking the project and then looking for growth on our property going forward. We have around 1,400 square kilometers, which is 1.4 million hectares, and we've only explored on about 10% of it. So there's tremendous scale potential for other discoveries and other opportunities down the road. And that's what we're going to be looking at kind of year 4, year 5. And how do we keep this mine at 200,000 ounces a year and grow it from there for a generational size operation?
Sounds like a tremendous upside and a lot of opportunities coming your way. Thank you so much for your time, and nothing but the best for Pasofino Gold.
Thanks, Kim.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.